Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken to the main menu. From this page, if you wish to delete your account, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and you will be taken to your profile. Go ahead and tap on account, and now you can see various account settings for your game. Tap on Account Center at the bottom right, and this will open various different options for your account. If you wish to delete your account, tap on Cancel Account, and this will take you into an external page from which you will be allowed to apply for cancellation of your account. Simply scroll down after reading all of the policies and then tap on the checkbox which tells you that you have read the conditions about cancellation. Then tap on the next button and you will be asked to provide your game ID as well. After providing your game ID and confirming your identity through your password, you will be told that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Now, if you wish to permanently delete your account, then make sure not to log back into your Moontoon account for another 30 days. And once you follow this process, your account will be deleted on Mobile Legends. You can still use other accounts created from your third party or your email address to keep on enjoying the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.